One of the issues now that we have a search button up there, although it doesn't work yet, is that it still automatically executes our code which searches for zombies. So I want to put a pause to that, and I want to only have that start when I press the search button. So let's start with just making the code stop from executing automatically. Now, what's executing automatically when the page loads is this getJSON method, and I want to put the brakes on this thing, but I can't obviously take it out of my code. I need to have it trigger when something happens, like a click on that button. So that means that this whole portion over here, this getJSON code, is going to be a function. I mean, if I create it into a function, I have it execute on a click, then I solve my problem. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Now let me first start by figuring out where this whole function ends. Now I know that I have this getJSON method, and then here is the first curly brace. And now I got to look that as I go down, each also has its own curly brace. So I'm going to keep on going down, 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 and after the remove statement is the first closing curly brace. So this guy over here is going to be terminating each, and the guy underneath there terminates getJSON, and then the last one terminates the entire document ready function that we put at the very beginning. So what I'm going to do for my own sake is go ends each, then over here ends getJSON, and now at this guy over here is this whole thing is going to turn into a function. So here is what I'm going to do. First order of business is I'll start with the good old function syntax, function, and now I have to name my function. So let's just call it search FB. And I'm not going to pass it any parameters, so I'll just keep it closed like that. And here come my braces. And now I need to put a brace right after the ends getJSON statement that I put over here. And now, so I have no errors, and let me indent this whole function in there so I see it nice and indented. Yeah, well, let's try to execute our code now. I'm going to give it a refresh, and something very uneventful is going to happen, and that's nothing. But that's good, because now I just want the search button to initiate the search.